Here's how to make vanilla salt.
To a bowl, add 1 cup of flaky salt. Then we're going to remove the seeds from 2 vanilla beans. To do this, you want to gently cut down the center of your bean, making sure not to cut all the way through. Then using the sharp side of your knife, scrape down the bean so that you pull out all of those little seeds on the inside. The vanilla pod itself has so much flavor, so I'm going to store that in the jar with the salt. Add your vanilla seeds to the salt and really break it down. Make sure all of those seeds are well incorporated throughout the salt. Pop the vanilla pod in your jar, top it with your salt, and it's ready to store.
It needs to cure for about 2 weeks before it's ready to use. I love topping my chocolate chip cookies with this salt, or it's amazing sprinkled on hot chocolate and my personal favorite, oatmeal. YouTube thinks you're gonna love this video, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.